This is wrong. Cracking your knuckles will ruin your joints forever. Many people believe the popping means bones grinding and that it will trigger arthritis down the line. In reality, the sound comes from gas bubbles snapping in the joint, not from any bone damage. Frequent cracking may irritate soft tissues or make fingers feel sore temporarily, but it doesn't guarantee serious joint disease. If pain or swelling appears, check with a doctor. Otherwise, this habit remains mostly harmless and even surprisingly safe.